Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to block someone on Discord. Blocking someone on Discord stops them from messaging you directly and hides their messages in shared servers, so here is how you can do it. First of all, open up Discord application and log into it. In the first home page, go ahead and tap on the person you want to block. You can find them from your friends list, direct messages, or a server you both are in. After selecting a person, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner from their profile info, and in the pop-up, click on block. Confirm that you would like to block the contact by tapping block once again. If you don't want them to be blocked, then you can also tap on ignore instead button, but if you choose to block them, they will not be able to DM you anymore, their messages in the shared servers appear collapsed, they won't get notified that you blocked them. While the messages in shared server appear collapsed, you can choose to view them or not. So that's how you easily block someone in Discord. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.